Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing wearing season look using some affordable and high-end products. Now it's a gorgeous look with a white sari and roses. The combination of red and white flattering the look more. I hope you all enjoy this. So let's get started. First I'm using Cetaphil moisturizer and then vitamin C skin boost by Body Shop. Now this combination of two makes my skin perfect for this season. And then I'm using the foundation from Maybelline, and it's a Fit Me foundation in a shade Sun Beige. First I'm using a buffing brush, and then I'm using this damp sponge to blend the foundation all over my face. It's a medium to high coverage foundation, and also it's semi matte, so it's perfect for all day functions. Then to conceal and highlight my face, I'm using the Age Divine Concealer in the shade Medium from Maybelline. I'm going to apply this on the usual part of my face, like underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and around my mouth and on my forehead. And also I'm going to apply this on my eyelid. Then using a buffing brush from Real Technique, I'm going to blend it out. Then again I'm using a damp sponge to blend out thoroughly. Then I'm using the luxury banana powder from Makeup Revolution and applying the powder with a damp sponge exactly where I apply the concealer. It helps to keep the foundation and concealer for long and prevents creasing, and also gives a even and smooth finish. Then I'm using Maybelline White Balance Compact Powder, and I'm going to apply with a fluffy brush on my eyelid and creating a nice and smooth base for my eyeshadow. Then blending the excess powder to avoid the dryness and even out everything with the fluffy face brush. Then I'm using this Sephora geometric palette, and I'm using the light brown shade and going to apply with a fluffy brush on my crease line. I'm going beyond the crease line little bit to define the crease line and beyond, and also I'm applying this on my lower waterline. This step going to give me a really sculpted and defined eye base. And then I'm using this shade from Miss Claire. It's a single eyeshadow, and I'm using a angular fluffy brush and apply this all over my eyelid. Just make sure you dust off the excess product of the brush because I have done my base already. Then I'm using this brown shade from the same palette, and I'm going to apply this with the flat brown eyeshadow brush on the outer third of my eyelid and also on my lower waterline. Blend everything nicely until you get your desired finish. And then I'm using a clean fluffy eyeshadow brush and going to blend the edges to avoid any harsh line, and also going to make this beautiful and nice. Then using a eyebrow brush, I'm going to dust off the excess product that I have on my brows, and then using the two shades from the Sephora geometric palette, I'm going to fill my brows with the flat brow brush. First I'm using the lighter shade for the inner corner of my brows, and then I'm going to draw the arch with the darker shade. I'm not going to overline my brows. I'm just going to fill my brows because my eyes are already look very heavy. So I just need a defined brow to match with it. Then I'm going to tightline my eyes with this Faces Canada Kajal in a shade black. And I'm also applying this on my lower waterline. Just going to apply this on the outer 1/3 of my lower waterline. And then I'm going to use the same dark brown eyeshadow and using a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to smudge my kajal. Now this step going to give my eyes a really blended look and it makes my eyes look more soft. And I'm doing the same process. I'm using the same dark brown shade and with a flat eyeshadow brush I'm going to apply this on the outer on my upper eyelid. Then I'm using this shade from LA Colors palette and going to warm up my face. I'm applying this on the hollows of my cheek, on my chin and on the bridge of my nose. Then I'm dabbing a damp sponge and it going to soak the excess product and also minimize the dryness and even out the base more. Now it's a trick to make the base more flawless. Then again I'm using the same palette from LA Colors and using the highlighter shade, and I'm going to apply this on the inner corners of my eyes and on my brow bone with a small pencil brush. And then with the help of this fan brush I'm going to apply this on my cheekbone, on my forehead bone and on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow and little bit on my chin. And then I'm using this brown kajal from Miss Claire and I'm going to apply this on my lower waterline. And then I'm going to draw my lips with this elf lip crayon and my shade is wine red. Then to customize the look, I'm using the same eyeshadow from Miss Claire and with the help of my fingertips, I'm going to dab this over my lipstick. And then I'm going to put on the jewelry and then I'm going to put my mascara, and for that I'm using the falsies from L'Oreal. And first I'm going to apply the primer for both of my lashes. After 5 to 6 seconds later, I'm going to apply the mascara again for both of my lashes. And thus complete the look. I have already uploaded the hairstyle video on my channel. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos.